Let's do this. That's simple. Alright, so that takes care of that. A little awkward, huh? But I like unique knives. Let's see. I'll put a simple edge on her, I think. Let's see. 2800 RPM. Keep that blade cool. Hold on. Okay, other side. Now I gotta match that the console area. Start right and get into it. Using my hand to rest on the plate. There you go. See that? Yeah, I've got it closed here. This is a back and forth game, you know, especially when you're freestyling. Yeah, I can make a jig, make things easier, but that's no fun. That is no fun for me. That ain't me. And I've tried it in the past. I don't like it. See if I can get this here. Sometimes I don't want to wet it. Yeah, it's nice. See that? I like that. So let me see if I can match the other side. Like it, look at it, then where do I gotta go? Here is good in the beginning, there, okay. Okay, I might even be done with it. I'm in the middle. I think I'm good. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm good. Alright, here's what it is right there. Traced up. Now, mark the pins. And in this case, I'm going to mark this here so I can know where I'm at. Like that. And this is extra. That'll be extra to play with. So let's see if I can make that happen. Nope, can't. So I'm going to have to use unfortunately, on this side. And again, this is extra. A lot extra. And that. It's going to cut down the line. I'll save all this here for future projects. A little messy here. I usually don't like working this messy. You got a paper towel? Forgot to get the hammer. This will do. It's looking good. Okay. Clamp it down. This for the front. Alright. Set that off to the side and let it cure. Alright, here's where I'm at with this one. I did the handle. I've got it taped up. She's ready for a kydex on this one. The other one's in here getting a nice little acid bath. So I did a little design on it. Old school. Here's a sneak peek what I used. And just waiting for her. In the meantime, I'm going to get going on the kydex. Alright, let's do this. Carbon fiber kydex. Not real, of course. Alright, almost done. Gotta do this fast. Not too tight, because that wouldn't be polite. Now I'm going to wait about 3 minutes and take her out of the press and see how we made out. So hopefully we have a nice piece and don't have to redo it again.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I'm liking that. I went kind of high, but that works out good. So I can put my eyelets here. She's a little tight, but I'll shave her back more. Yeah, sounds good to me. Just a heads up, I don't like that. But you know what, I'm gonna go with it. I've never done that, but you know what, the blade is not exposed. That's just a ricasso area. It's barely right there. I can always notch that off if I want. Here's a sneak peek when it comes out of the acid bath. Alright, so here's where I'm at with that sheath. I totally messed that up. I thought I could make it work, but I don't like it. It's nice, but I don't know, I don't like that. I do not like that. It was coming out so good too. Nice snaps, nice everything. I rounded everything. Did the final fitment, and I just don't like that. Yeah, there's nothing to cut. It is unique, unusual, but I don't like that. So what did I do? Yeah, I'm in the process of making a new one. So I already have it formed. I shaped it, drilled some eyelets, and this one is a lot better. So I'm glad I ruined this one in order to make this one. It's a little bigger, but hey, you know what? I like the design. What do you guys think? I can always recycle that onto a different knife in the future. And speaking of future, let's keep recycling into the future.